The Comfo-Back bar chair by Berlin Gardens takes classic Adirondack comfort and lifts it to new heights, literally. With its signature fan-back design, gently contoured seat, and wide armrests, this chair transforms casual seating into a place you'll want to linger. Perfect for outdoor bars, pub tables, or high counters, it's designed for relaxed conversation and easy enjoyment. Durability is built right in. Crafted from polytough HP lumber made with recycled plastics, it's resistant to fading, cracking, and rotting, no matter what the weather throws at it. The color runs through every piece, so there's no painting or staining required, and maintenance is as simple as a quick rinse with the hose. This chair is built with care and intention. Stainless steel and aluminum hardware make it tough against corrosion, and every joint is put together with Amish craftsmanship for long-lasting sturdiness. It's a combination of traditional know-how and modern materials that makes it both reliable and beautiful. Sized smartly, the chair measures about 27 inches wide, 29 inches deep, and just under 50 inches tall. The seat height is designed for bar tables, while the sloped contour gives your legs natural support. Armrests sit at a comfortable height for leaning in or setting down a drink, making it practical and stylish all in one. And here's the finishing touch. It comes in a wide variety of colors and two-tone options, so you can match it to your outdoor setup perfectly. Backed by a 20-year residential warranty, this chair is built to be with you for the long haul. So if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.